Dear students, welcome to the 10th class chapter of Geography, Resources and Development. And today we are going to take the topic Resource Planning. What are resources? Everything available in our environment which can be used to satisfy the needs of the human being is called resources. Why we need resource planning? First of all, we have to know about the definition of the resource planning. What is resource planning? It is a technique or skill of proper utilization of resources. Resource planning is a technique or skill of proper utilization of resources. We have to use the proper utilization of resources. What are the reasons for resource planning? First reason is that resources are limited. We know that resources are in limit. If we will use recklessly them, the day will come that they will finish one day. So we have to use it judicious manner. Next one is distribution of resources in our country is uneven. In our country, in some regions, resources are found in abundance. But in some regions, resources are not found. They are rare. So due to the distribution of resources uneven, we have to make use of them carefully. It is essential for sustainable development. Here we have to understand the meaning of sustainable. Sustainable means continuous. We have to make use of the resources in this way that not only we have to take care of the present generation, but also we have to keep it for future generation, our coming generation. Next one is it helps in the reducing wastage, keep the environment pollution free and take care of future generation. The most important thing, student, is that if we will use resources in a judicious manner, it will help in reducing wastage and it will keep our environment pollution free. And also we will be able to take care of our future generation. By doing the planning for the resources, our coming future generation will also be able to use the resources. So to keep heed of that, we have to do the resource planning to keep our future safe. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you.